Hello guys everyone, so good morning. So I hope all are doing very well. So in this time I came to visit the Bodh Gaya city, which is the enlightenment place of Gautam Buddha, where he got enlightenment under the Bodhi tree on the bank of the Rajna river, which is present time called as the Falgo river. So in this time I came to visit the Sujata Stupa, which is called as a Sujata Kuti also, which is the residential home of the Sudasa, who offer the rice and milk to Gautam Buddha during the finance in Bodh Gaya city. So the village of Sujata is located opposite side of the Falgu river from the Mahabodhi temple. First we have to cross the river Falgu, that is called as a Niranjana river, and then we can reach to the Sujata village. Nowadays this village name is also a Sujata village. So it is not so far away, only 1.5 and something 2 kilometer away from the Mahabodhi temple. So right now I am in Sujata village to came and visit the Sujata Stupa. So let's see and explore together with me. Thank you so much. So this is the signboard of Sujata Kuti Stupa, which is just in front of this, and I am going inside this. Right now I am from outside shooting this vlog, so I am going to explore from inside. So this is the direction of Sujata Stupa. So this is the notice board which is written regarding the Sujata Stupa, and let's see the view of this Sujata Stupa. So this brick stupa was constructed to commemorate the residence of Sujata, the maiden who offered milk rice to Lord Buddha. It has been established through the excavations which yielded in inscriptions of the 8th to 9th century AD. So let's explore. So this is the view of the Sujata Stupa, which was the actual home of the Sujata. So let's explore together with me. So Sujata Stupa, also called as a Sujata Kuti Stupa or Sujata Grah, and Grih, which is a Buddhist stupa located in the village of Senani Grama at that time, which is present time called as a Bakror, slightly east of Bodh Gaya, directly across the Falgu Niranjana river from the town of Bodh Gaya, where Gautam Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment under the banyan tree on the bank of Niranjana river. So it is a walk of about 20 minutes time from Bodh Gaya Mahabodhi temple to Sujata temple and Stupa, which is total distance is 1.205 kilometers something slightly. So it was initially built in 2nd century BC as confines of dark grey polished wares and a punch-marked coins in the monastery. So the view of this stupa is still alive in so managed, and this place is under the manage of Archaeologist Survey of India along with the UNESCO also. So this stupa was dedicated to the milkmaid Sujata, who said to have fed Gautam Buddha milk and rice at the spot as he was sitting under a banyan tree, thereby ending his 7 years of fasting and asceticism and allowing him to attain a illumination through the middle way. So there was also the pillar of Asoka, that is called as the lion capital of Asoka. So you can also say the pillar of Asoka means Asokastam. So originally located in front of Sujata Stupa and was brought to Bodh Gaya in 1956. So Devpala being interpreted as the 9th century Pala dynasty king, so hence Sujata house or King Dwarpala. So the last phase of constructions of a stupa dates back to Devpala in 19th century CE to commemorate the house where Sujata lived. So this place was also visited by Hien Sang in 7th century AD and told an inscript as Gandha Hasti Astupa, the perfumed elephant. The meaning of Gandha Hasti Astupa introduced by Hien Sang, who was one of the most Chinese traveler who came in India and explored about Buddhism from Nalanda University and from many more historical places related with the Gautam Buddha from Rajgiri, Vaishali and many more places. So let's see, and I am also going to visit the Sujata temple, where actually the place where the Gautam Buddha fed by Sujata under the banyan tree, where Sujata temple is still there. So I am also going to visit the Sujata temple, and I will take only 5 to 10 minutes because the distance from Sujata Stupa Kuti to Sujata temple distance is only 500 meters from here. So I am going. So I am also feeling so positive here after coming to visit the Sujata Stupa, and I will also do meditation here at least half and 1 hour, because I like to do meditation also in every temples, in famous temples and very peaceful place in India. I like to do meditation. So the management of this stupa is under the government of Archaeologist Survey of India, which is managing very well maintained. So look at this stupa, and along with nearest by the places. Also it's so greeny and decorated with so many flowers and so many decorated plants. So look at the flowers. We can see there are lots of varieties of rose in different colors, such as the orange rose, white rose, pink rose, yellow rose, and different types of another flowers also. So many more flowers, plants and decorated plants are planted here. We can see there is lots of red and orange roses are here along with the white rose. So, and also it decorated very well with green grass also. So these are the some plants, decorated plants and flower, which looking so unique and amazing and awesome here in this Sujata Kuti residence where Sujata used to live. So even I already visit the Mahabodhi temple, which is one of the best Buddhist site where Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment under the banyan tree on the bank of Nirajna river. So the site was built as a temple by Samrat Ashoka in 3rd century BC, because Samrat Ashoka accepted the Buddhism after the Kalinga battle in 3rd century BC also. So this is the way I am going to Sujata temple, and don't think that this is the main way. This is the short way I took from the field and paddy plant field, because of the way is also going by a main street, but I am going from the field only to also enjoy the moment in field of paddy plantation and many more agriculture land. I am going from the agriculture land to visit the Sujata Stupa, Sujata temple from Sujata Stupa, which is so close from here, only 500 meters. So I am going by this way because of short way. This is a short way, and little bit the road is going from more distance. So this is the road came. So look at this road. I came from this way only in short direction from Sujata Stupa to Sujata temple. So just Sujata temple is so close from here. So just I am reaching Sujata, and this is the tourist bus which is also going Sujata temple.